Hey Drip Droppers, and welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you remember when I made this, but I think it came out just gorgeous. I made this on a past video and I love the navel with it and the beautiful colors. So today I want to use navel again as my base, and I'm going for something kind of like galaxy, something really stunning like this is what I'm looking for. And this will become wall art. It's done now, so I'm going to put a hanger on the back, and I'll put it up on my website for sale. But this is just stunning. So let's do another one right now. All right, so let's get down to it. So what we're going to be using as our base today, we're going to use Sherwin Williams. We're going to use Galaxy, and we're going to put some of this on first. Now I've got a record here. I don't even know who it is. I just know it's scratched up. I don't wreck good albums, but I upcycle the ones that are bad. So I've got my pillow paint on and we're ready to go. And I think I want to do I love this beautiful S swipe across, but maybe we'll also comb it. I'm not sure. We're going to see here. So we're going to start out with this is Medium Magenta by Liquitex. And I think what I'm going to do is just do a small little section like this. Maybe just like that.